How would you like to be able to create a done-for-you affiliate blog without having to write a single word of content, without having to manually post a single article, without having to format anything, and best of all, letting AI do everything for you? Because that's exactly what you can do with my new BlogBuildr AI software. Because with the BlogBuildr AI software, all you need to do is pick a keyword or a topic that you want to start earning commissions on. Simply choose one of our 8 custom commission GPTs, and then let AI create all your content for you. And not only will it create all your content for you, it will set up your entire commission site for you, and it'll also even find images and monetize your site as well. And in just minutes, you'll have your own custom affiliate blogs, just like you see here on the page. And you'll finally be able to start generating some affiliate commissions. Now, the great thing is the software is incredibly beginner friendly. We've made it as easy as possible to use. All you need to do is upload the software, simply enter a keyword or a topic into one of our 8 custom commission generating GPTs, and then let BlogBuildr AI do all the work for you. Now, what makes this so easy to use is the custom GPTs we've created. So we've taken the top types of articles you find on affiliate sites that generate the most commissions, and we've made our own custom GPTs using ChatGPT. So with those, I want to go over the different types of GPTs you're going to receive. So the first is listicles. So you simply enter in any keyword you want, and it'll create a done-for-you listicle article and create all of that content for you. You can also use our product reviews GPT. So here, you simply enter in any affiliate product name and have a review written for you in a matter of seconds. Again, you don't have to write any of that content. You can also use the top 5 GPT, which will create a top 5 product article on any product type you want. So it'll go ahead and list out the 5 best products for that keyword, give an overview on each one, and you're ready to start earning commission on those. In addition, we have a product comparison GPT. So with this, all you simply do is enter in 2 different affiliate product names, and the software will go out and write a product comparison article for you. We also have the how-to articles. You can instantly create a how-to article by simply entering any topic you want and having AI go ahead and write that complete how-to article for you. We also have a frequently asked questions GPT. So with this, again, you simply enter in any topic you want. It'll list out the top questions for that keyword and answer all of them in one comprehensive article. Next, we have the idea generator. So if you're struggling with ideas of what to create content on, you can use our idea generator GPT, which will list out 20 topics you can go ahead and write content on. And once it generates that list, you can take any of those topics, put them into our custom articles GPT, and it'll write that article for you. So again, you have 8 different custom GPTs ready to create all the content you need for your affiliate blog. And the best part is, absolutely everything is done for you. You don't have to write a single word of content. Now, the great thing about this is I view each content piece you post as a passive income seed. And the more you create, the more you can earn. And BlogBuildr makes it so easy, you can plant as many of these as you want with almost no work, and then it's just as easy as rinse and repeat. So again, it really takes all the work out of creating your own affiliate blog and starting to generate some affiliate commissions. And it makes it so easy, you can actually earn your first commission in just the next 15 days. So if you're someone out there who has yet to earn any money online, this is the perfect tool to use, and you can have that first commission in the next 15 days. Now, in addition to everything I've already mentioned, the software will also monetize your entire site in just seconds. It allows you to promote any affiliate program you want, so you're not stuck with just one affiliate program. You can promote any affiliate program you would like on your site, and everything is 100% done for you. And even if you're just getting started, there's no worries because we have full training available that'll walk you through the entire process of using the software and how to set up your site to start earning commissions. So again, if you're ready to finally get your affiliate blog created, full of content, monetized, and earning you commissions, you need to go ahead and grab your copy of the BlogBuildr AI software today. It is the easiest software you will find to start creating your own affiliate blog. You won't need to come up with a single type of article to write because we have those 8 custom GPTs ready for you to use. You're not going to have to write a single word of content. And again, everything is done for you, making it as easy as possible to get up and running. So if you're ready to get your affiliate blog set up, full of content, and ready to start earning commissions, go ahead and grab your copy of BlogBuildr AI today.